Yeah, it's quite early. It's probably like 8 a.m. over here right now. I have all of this excitement because I'm about to look cute. Wow, it's been a minute since we've last connected like this, and I actually miss you guys. Like, what? That's kind of like a new feeling for me. I am going on a trip. I'm going somewhere in Central America. I don't know if I want to tell y'all where I'm going for real. I think I kind of want to just have you guys like kind of guess, but I'm going somewhere tropical. I'm going somewhere warm. The sun gonna be shining. It's giving rainforesty. I feel like the food is gonna be delicious. The music, I think, is gonna be up my alley. It's my first time there. Flight is booked, accommodations are booked, excursions are pretty much booked. But as a woman, if you don't know, now you know, there's a couple things that our money goes towards before getting on that flight to go on our next trip, right? So yeah, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me to get all of my pre-trip essential things done. It's gonna be fun. Yay, I'm excited. To the salon. Running behind, so we gotta rush. Hi. Hi.
What's up, girls? Okay, so now that we're cutting it real close.
I know.
All right, then let's go ahead and get it to
All right, I need a little privacy, so I'll see you when I get it.
A few moments later.
I love getting my hair done, honestly. I pretty much go to the same girl, Lindsay, to get my hair done. She's absolutely great. She is a little further out of LA, but I keep going back to her because her work is so good. She's an amazing braider. She listens, she takes care of my hair, and that's my girl. So yeah, I am getting twists, y'all. I haven't had this hairstyle in about 5 years. This specific hair was so hard to find, it's actually kind of insane. Finally, this one place said that they had Zuri Senegalese twist crochet. I'm not gonna hold you, I thought I heard wrong because at this point I'm just starting to feel like this hair no longer exists, but I'm like, whatever, let me test my luck. They had all this hair, y'all. Zuri 14-inch, color is 1. Crochet, Senegalese twist, big. The exact hair that I've been looking for. I was ecstatic. Shout outs to the beauty supply store that I went to. Yeah, it's quite early. It's probably like 8 a.m. over here right now. I have all of this excitement because I'm about to look cute. Hi.
Oh shit, girl, I don't know what I'm doing.
Your favorite client ever?
I love Nisa so much. She's one of my favorite clients, y'all, for real. Like, anytime she needs whatever she needs, she gets what she needs. Period.
Now say something about yourself.
Oh. I think I'm gonna go.
Period. Long overdue, y'all. These nails look crazy. This is SNS. I've had this color for at least a month. They're so long. They got so long. They're so strong. I think I'm gonna go for a red situation. Who do you think's the best one? All right, y'all, my nails are done. My hair is done. I'm feeling good. Should I get my eyebrows done? I don't know. Where's my eyebrows? All right, y'all, we're back. Hair is done, nails are done, eyebrows are done. Just cute little shape up. What's next? Packing. Duh. I pretty much have my outfits set. I just need to pack them in. So let me show y'all what I'm bringing on my trip. If you guessed Costa Rica, you guessed right. You are not gonna wanna miss the time that I had here, y'all. Stay tuned, and I'ma see y'all in Costa Rica.